Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 34B2U 3600C, a 34-inch curved display with USB Type-C docking. So friend, the Philips has introduced TCO certified 34-inch curved display for comfortable impression effect. It comes with VA panel with WQHD resolution and 1.07 billion colors for rich and vivid images, and its pre-installed 5-watt speaker for easily video conferencing and extra connectivity with USB Type-C dock with 90-watt power delivery and RJ45 port for secure network connection and enhanced eye comfort with TÜV Rheinland Eyesafe certification and SoftBlue Technology, and compact Ergo Base offer high-adjustable tilt swivel for maximum viewing comfort, and SmartKVM enable seamless source switching, the simple keyboard shortcut, and MultiView for simulations, dual connection, and viewing. And the Philips 34-inch monitor is pricing starting from 439 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.